So, what is the difference between sympathy, compassion, and love? And how does each affect us on an energy level?
Sympathy, compassion, and love. Love, I don't know. I have not loved anybody. Compassion, yes. Compassion only for animals, not for human beings. I don't have any compassion towards any human being. Sympathy for human beings, yes. If they are sincere in working, if they are sincere in learning, I have got sympathy. If they are insincere, then I don't have any sympathy for human beings also. You told three things: sympathy, compassion, love. Love absolutely rolled out. Okay. Compassion only for animals. Sympathy for human beings who are sincere in learning. Who are sincere for doing good things. Who are sincerely wanting to grow. I got sympathy for them. And people who don't want to grow, I don't have any sympathy. I don't have any sympathy. Because they don't want to grow. I don't have any sympathy towards such people. Compassion only for the animals. Love? Absolutely no love.
Why?
In my genes there is no love. I don't know why, but it is not there.
In your case, there is no love. What about in some other individual? Should they love someone? Should they love everyone?
What is love?
That feeling that when we are completely with ourselves, that abundance of joy, that's the same thing which we share with someone else. That abundance of joy and peace.
When you are sharing something, it is your friendship, not love. Friends always share. I am all for friendship. I am all for sharing. Whatever you have is for me, whatever I have is for you. It is sharing. But the use of the word love, I don't like it. Personally, I don't like it. I don't love anybody, therefore I am a very lovely person.
Who created this universe, sir? Is there any positive or negative energy or any God who created this abundant universe make work?
Who created? You tell me, you think and tell me. Somebody is there?
Who created this universe?
This sofa, who created?
Carpenter.
So somebody is there?
Yes.
Without that carpenter, this chair won't come.
No.
Who prepared this cushion?
Some person.
There is always a creator.
Who is that creator?
X or Y, Z. Who cares for the name?
Is there any that a physical body or any energy?
It is the energy that creates, not the physical body.
Okay. Invisible energy.
Energy is always invisible. Energy is always invisible to the physical eye. If there is creation, there is a creator. Creator is always there. If the earth is there, there is the creator of earth. The sun is there, there is the creator of sun. If there is a chair, there is the creator of the chair. No, this body is there. Who created this body? Myself. I am the creator of this body.
Okay.
I wanted this body. I created this body and I am now in this body. This body has been created by me, by my own thought.
Who created the planet? Any person?
There are always persons, Baba. There is no who here.
Okay, sir.
Who is the Prime Minister of America? Do you care for him?
No.
Oh, who cares? But there is some Prime Minister, some President are there.
Yes.
In what way you care for the names? It is found by some entity, some energy entity. There is some energy called as the Prime Minister of Afghanistan. There is some energy called the Prime Minister of India. There is some energy called as the Prime Minister of Pakistan. There is some energy called as the soul in this body. Energy entities, that's all.